time to doing it. Paddle 3 times and 1 turtle. Turtle. That's how we practice to go underwater, under the waves, and getting in shape and getting some muscle memories. So keep reading the waves now. Make sure the timing. Okay? Remember that. So rather you catch the wave and then you go sideways. If you fall between that, the yeti and here, you have to come back trying to do the turtle, or either way you just catch the wave like a boogie board and get away from the set. That one is yours for sure. Paddle forward hard. Breathe when you paddle. Keep looking at the wave. That's right. There you go. Good job. Nice job.